match number 1, India A versus India B.
India A. Shubman Gill, as captain, has won the toss. They've elected to bowl first.
Just take us along through the teams.
जायसवाल और इनका अगर दिलीप ट्रॉफी में बातचीत करेंगे, शानदार रिकॉर्ड है. मुकेश अच्छे तेज गेंदबाज हैं. अगर दोनों ही टीमें देखेंगे ना, मुझे लगता है तेज गेंदबाज आपको बहुत बढ़िया दिखते हैं. सरफराज पे भी नजर रखेंगी कि किस तरीके से वो बल्लेबाजी करेंगे. इंडिया ए, मयंक अग्रवाल, रेहान पराग, केएल राहुल दिखेंगे आपको बल्लेबाजी करते हुए. इस टीम के भी आप तेज गेंदबाज देखेंगे ना. आकाशदीप दिख रहे हैं आपको, आवेश. बहुत बैलेंस साइड है.
He's got a terrific record, this young man, just 22 years of age. And his partner, a very sedate partner, likes to take his time, play a long innings. Khalil, just his 13th first-class match. Straight away runs. He said no, but he will get some runs. In fact, get a boundary to begin the Duleep Trophy, the domestic season. Glorious shot. When a left-hander plays it, it looks so very special, elegant.
ये शॉट करा रहा है. थोड़ा सा रूम था, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया जायसवाल ने.
Another cracking good shot.
That one will be tucked beautifully. Oh! Very, very unlike Abhimanyu Ishwaran. He will be absolutely distraught. Having done all the hard work, bit of a brain fade from him.
पहली सफलता इंडिया ए के गेंदबाजों के लिए 33 के स्कोर पर पहली विकेट अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन की.
Khalil back for a second spell, and this is how Jaiswal is greeted in.
शॉट, 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पर.
It's gone. What a catch. That's his favorite shot, and sometimes that can lead to dismissal. This is a stunning catch taken with no reaction from the fielder at all. Jaiswal has to go.
बहुत मेहनत लगी है खलील को ये सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए, पर मिल गई यशस्वी जायसवाल की विकेट 30 रन पर. इंडिया बी 53 पर दूसरा झटका.
Sarfaraz comes in. Split the uppercut.
And that brings us to the end of the first session of day 1.
इंडिया बी, क्योंकि जब हम सुपर पिच देख रहे थे तो ऐसा लग रहा था काफ़ी नमी है, गेंदबाजों को काफ़ी मदद मिलेगी. और अगर पहले सेशन में आप सिर्फ 2 ही विकेट खोते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि वो ठीक काम हो गया उनकी टीम के लिए.
Both the openers dug in 42 balls. Look at that, Mushir 6 of 52, 9 of 28. It's hard work out there for the batters.
दोनों तरफ आक्रामक प्लेयर्स हैं, सरफराज खान, मुशीर खान.
Solid defense to start the afternoon session. 30 overs have been bowled. Excitement, and the finger goes up. That's the end of Sarfaraz Khan. Avesh Khan strikes. Will he go up for the IDFC First Bank DRS?
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets umpire's call, original decision is out. Tapan, you can stay with the original decision.
तीसरा झटका इंडिया बी को 67 for 3.
Rishabh Pant walks out to bat at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Gets on the mark in style. Driven down the ground in style. That's a lovely blow that. Going over the top as he allured the fielder. What an effort! Terrific catch this by Shubman Gill. He was running towards the ball and he was aware of the importance of getting rid of Rishabh Pant, and that's a super effort from the skipper. And that's the end of Rishabh Pant.
बहुत बढ़िया, ये विकेट शुभमन गिल के नाम. 80 पर 4 इंडिया बी.
Nitish Kumar ready. That's a fast bowler. What had happened there? Nitish Kumar Reddy was left wondering once he heard the ball go and hit the top of off stump.
पांचवा झटका इंडिया बी 80 पर 5.
And Washington Sundar, he got to just stave off the hat-trick. Nicely bowled and well played as well.
Will it have enough to get to the boundary? Oh, the fielder gives it up.
भारी किनारा तो लगा है, लेकिन गैप में भी गया गेंद. 4 रन मिलेंगे. अरे यार, मिस कर गए. फुल टॉस गेंद थी और आउट हो सकता है यहाँ पे. आकाशदीप कह रहे हैं कि पांव लगा है उनका, और वॉशिंगटन सुंदर क्रीज से बाहर थे काफी.
Yeah. Just give me the front on angle again. Yes, I can see a slight deflection as the ball passes under the boot. It has touched his boot. Yes, he's way outside the crease. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Yeah, conclusive evidence he has. And Washington Sundar, another man dismissed.
वॉशिंगटन सुंदर नॉन स्ट्राइक एंड पे रन आउट हो गए 0 पे.
Sai Kishore, mainly a left arm spinner, but he's developed his batting over the years.
Gone. Superb delivery from Khalil. Too good for Sai Kishore. He does have the ability to hang around, but not this time. Taken beautifully in the slips by KL Rahul.
और एक और बड़ा झटका 94 पे 7. नवदीप सैनी 150 है इनके.
Played away fine, and he will find the boundary as well. The 2 men out in the deep, but still Mushir finds the gap and picks up another boundary. Nicely played. And that runs away of the edge. Will it beat the fielder? And the ball wins the race. Reaching out for it, gets a thickish edge, and that'll run away to the boundary as well. And that's a well-played innings from Mushir. Superb half-century coming under trying circumstances. A very good knock from the young man. Bit of movement. End of a maiden over. 124 for 7 India B as the umpires whip the bails off and say it's time for tea. 24 overs bowled in the second session. The most productive session for the India A was the second one with 5 wickets coming.
मुशीर की तारीफ करनी होगी. 3 नंबर बल्लेबाजी करने आए थे, लेकिन कितनी बढ़िया तरीके से इस मुकाबले को कंट्रोल किया है. तेज गेंदबाजों के नाम रहा है ये सेशन. जिस तरीके से तीनों ही तेज गेंदबाजों ने काम किया अपनी टीम के लिए.
And a very good half century. We have the partners to convert this into 100. What a sweet sound as the ball hit the willow. Delightful shot. Ending the over with the boundary to Mushir. 141 for 7.
मुझे ऐसा लगा मौका था यहाँ पे आवेश के पास. थोड़ा सा झुकने में दिक्कत हुई थी वहाँ पे.
That's fiercely hit. No chance for the long off fielder.
हाथ खोलने का मौका दीजिए तो सही. मेरे को भी आते हैं रन्स बनाने. पर शुरुआत ही 6 रनों के साथ और पहला छक्का.
And great shots like this with great confidence and pluck.
करारा प्रहार है ये कुलदीप यादव की इस गेंद पर.
He slapped it away, hasn't timed it too well, but he'll still get a boundary. Going with the single. And I think he's made the ground. It's a brilliant 100 from the number 3.
यहाँ मौका था सैनी के पास और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से हाथ खोले उन्होंने।
Nicely defended, and that could be the end of the day's play. Well, the umpires are clipping off the bails. 94 for 7 at one stage when these two got together. They've had a partnership of 108 in 212 deliveries. And the last session, the most fruitful session for India B. 25 overs, 78 runs, and more importantly, haven't lost a wicket, and the man who's reached a milestone. Splendid effort. 100 on his debut in Duleep Trophy, and he still will continue tomorrow morning.
पहला विकेट 33 पे गिरा था और उसके बाद तो सिर्फ